Have you ever wondered why Sao Paulo is a must-visit city? Well, get ready to pack your bags as we dive into the top 5 reasons that make this Brazilian metropolis a destination you simply can't ignore. First up, the culinary scene. Sao Paulo's food landscape is as diverse as it is delicious. From traditional Brazilian delicacies to gourmet international cuisine, your taste buds are in for a treat. And here's a fun fact. Sao Paulo is home to over 20,000 pizza parlors. That's right, the city consumes about 1.5 million pizzas every day. Are you ready for a slice of Sao Paulo? Cool transition effect. Screen splits into a montage of delicious Brazilian dishes and bustling streets of Sao Paulo before transitioning to the next scene. Next on the list, the vibrant culture. Sao Paulo is a melting pot of cultures from around the world, offering a rich tapestry of experiences. Fun fact: Sao Paulo hosts the world's largest Japanese population outside of Japan. You'll find a little piece of Tokyo right here in Brazil. As we fade out from this cultural kaleidoscope, prepare for visually striking transition that takes us to the next exhilarating scene. Stay tuned. Coming in at number 3, the art scene. Sao Paulo boasts an impressive array of museums, art galleries, and street art. But did you know that the city's iconic Ibirapuera Park houses more works of art than some museums? That's an open-air gallery worth exploring. Transition effect, fade out the scene with a gradual blurring of the image framing the city's art scene. The audio fades into a serene soundscape of a bustling park, birds chirping, and faint sounds of street musicians playing. The next scene fades in. Fourth on our list, the nightlife. Sao Paulo's nights are as lively as its days, with a multitude of bars, clubs, and live music venues. Here's an interesting tidbit. Sao Paulo's Rua Augusta Street is often as the city's nightlife artery, pulsating with energy till the wee hours. Transition camera suddenly zooms into a neon sign flickering in the night before swiftly trailing off the sign and transitioning into the next scene. As we wrap up the compelling architectural landscape of Sao Paulo, let's zoom out with a stunning drone shot sweeping over the Copan building, enough to cover 5 football fields. Now get ready as we dive into a thrilling, fast-paced transition, sending you spinning into the bustling streets of the city where you will witness the fascinating intersection of the old and the new. So, to wrap it all up, Sao Paulo's irresistible culinary scene, vibrant culture, thriving art scene, lively nightlife, and remarkable architecture make it a must-visit destination. And remember those fun facts? 20,000 pizza parlors, the largest Japanese population outside of Japan, an open-air art gallery, a nightlife artery, and a building that could cover 5 football fields. Sao Paulo is truly a city of superlatives. So why wait? Experience the magic of Sao Paulo for yourself. It's time to start planning your Brazilian adventure.